Greetings fam, if you've been thinking about taking your creativity or small business projects to the next level, this xTool S120W laser engraver and cutter machine might be exactly the all-in-one tool you need. I've spent hours researching its specs, real-world performance, user impressions, and practical capabilities across the internet so you get a clear, honest review before you decide. If you're already curious, go ahead and click the link in bio to check the current best price while we break it down. At its core, the xTool S1 is a 20W laser cutter and engraver, meaning it uses a high-power diode laser that's significantly stronger than typical 5W or 10W hobby lasers. In practical terms, that higher output translates to deeper cuts and cleaner engravings on materials like wood, acrylic, leather, cardboard, and coated metals. Many owners and reviewers online highlight how much more capable this power level feels when moving from small craft projects to heavier jobs. One of the first things people notice is the generous working area, roughly 23.93 inches x 15.16 inches, which is noticeably larger than many other desktop machines. That means you can cut larger sign panels, multiple parts at once, or longer templates without constantly repositioning material. In real-world maker community feedback, a bigger bed size usually means fewer setup headaches and more efficient workflows. Air quality and cutting performance are boosted by the included Air Assist and Honeycomb work surface. The Air Assist nozzle helps push smoke and debris out of the laser path as you cut, producing cleaner edges and less char, while the Honeycomb table supports material evenly and reduces back-reflected smoke. Many makers online say this combo makes a bigger difference than people expect until they try it, especially for acrylic and hardwood cuts. One practical welcome feature is the built-in safety sensors and enclosure design. While this machine isn't fully enclosed like industrial carbon dioxide systems, it includes top covers, safety switches, and layered protection so you can operate it indoors with less accidental exposure, something many hobbyists and home creators emphasize as a big quality of life improvement. Material compatibility is broad too. Along with wood and acrylic, users have successfully engraved leather, paper, fabric, some coated metals, and even marked coated aluminum with reasonable contrast, though engraving on raw metal often still requires marking compounds or additional processes, as most diode lasers don't interact as strongly with uncoated metal surfaces. That's a limitation even many higher-end laser hobbyists acknowledge when comparing diode and carbon dioxide technology. Now let's be honest about limitations. Even at 20W, diode lasers have natural limits. They won't cut very thick metals or handle industrial-grade loads like fiber or high-power carbon dioxide lasers do. If your goal is to slice through sheet metal or do heavy structural work, those machines are a different class. But for everyday materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and plastics, this machine delivers more than enough cutting power for a desktop unit. Another real point is maintenance and safety. Laser cutters always require proper ventilation and filtration. Smoke, VOx, and fumes are produced depending on the material. So pairing the S1 with a good air purifier or vent setup is essential for indoor use. That's true with any laser system, not just this one. After researching the xTool S120W laser engraver and cutter machine across specs, real reviews, and maker community feedback, I'd say it's worth buying if you want a powerful, beginner-friendly laser cutter with a large work area, clean cutting performance, and broad material support. It's especially great for creators, small business makers, DIY workshops, and anyone who wants dependable laser capability without industrial pricing. Click the link below for the best price.